Exploring the future. In-depth review and tutorial of the latest smart home devices. Smart home technology is transforming the way we live, offering convenience and efficiency like never before. As these devices become increasingly popular, let's dive into the latest gadgets that are making waves in the tech world. Featured devices. Smart speakers. The latest smart speakers come with enhanced voice recognition and seamless integration capabilities. Their sleek design and superior audio quality make them a perfect addition to any home. Smart thermostats. These thermostats offer intuitive interfaces and energy-saving features, making climate control more efficient than ever. They surpass previous models with improved connectivity and customization options. Security cameras. Modern security cameras feature advanced motion detection and night vision, ensuring 24/7 home protection. Their reliability and design improvements make them stand out. Smart lighting systems. Adaptive lighting systems adjust to your lifestyle, offering unmatched personalization and ease of use, enhancing the ambience of any room. Comprehensive reviews. Each device is thoroughly reviewed for features, usability, design, and performance. We compare them with previous models and competitors to highlight improvements and any shortcomings. Hands-on tutorials. Setting up devices. Our step-by-step guides will help you set up and integrate these devices into your home effortlessly, from connecting smart speakers to optimizing thermostats. Maximizing functionality. Discover tips and tricks to maximize functionality, along with troubleshooting advice for common issues. Expert opinions. Tech experts provide insights into the rapid evolution and integration capabilities of smart home devices. User testimonials share real-life experiences, emphasizing the benefits and value these gadgets bring. Conclusion. Smart home devices offer significant advantages, such as enhanced security and improved energy efficiency. While each has its pros and cons, there's something for every budget and need. Our reviews and tutorials aim to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Join the conversation. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with smart home devices or ask questions in the comments. Let's explore the future of smart living together.